What's up, besties, and welcome back to another tutorial. So if you couldn't tell from the title already, we're doing a Barbie inspired makeup look. So let's just get right into it. So I already prepped my brows, so let's just get into the routine. If you watch my other videos, you already know that I start my face off by moisturizing. Of course, I start with a clean base. My face is already clean, and then I'm going in with my primer, and I love this primer, guys. It's water based and it just leaves my skin so juicy and hydrated, and I just love this stuff. So now I'm going in with a second primer, and I use this around my oily areas along with my Airspun translucent powder just for that extra shield against, you know, the oil demons. So this is a newbie for you guys. You've never seen me use Kat Von D's foundation on my channel, but I'm here to say I love this stuff. It's so full coverage, it blends so seamlessly, and it mixes with all of my products. I'm using the shade Good Apple. So when I do my concealer, I always start off with the shade that's closest to my actual skin tone, because I find that if I just go in with like a lighter concealer, it kind of turns out gray. So that color underneath kind of balances everything out, like a color correction type of thing. And that's just how I've been doing my concealer. So keep that in mind, guys. So now I'm just prepping my lids, and I'm using this black Radiance concealer. I love this concealer. It's affordable, it's a drugstore brand, but it's really great quality, and I love using this shade on my lids because it just brings everything together. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Kim be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? So let's get to the fun part, okay? This is a canvas base that I received from City Colors Cosmetics, and it's this pretty pink color, and it just doubles as like an under eye concealer. I use it for my lips. I use it when I'm doing like a pink look. I just am obsessed with this stuff, and I think you guys should try this. It almost doubles as a dupe to the Maybelline concealer, the Instant Age Rewind concealer. I love this stuff. I'm obsessed with it, and it's just so pretty and perfect. And ugh. A little secret, you guys, when I'm doing my blush, I always go in with two blushes. I use one lighter blush and one darker blush that defines my cheekbones a little more. So I use the darker blush at the bottom, and I use the lighter blush at the top to kind of snatch everything and give me like a more lifted look. I'm obsessed with using pressed powders under my eyes now. Like, I never use setting powder or baking powder under my eyes anymore, you guys. Like, I've just been loving how seamless pressed powders leave my face, my under eyes. It's just been a game changer for me, and I don't think I'm gonna go back. like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive.
I'm going in with that hot pink from the Juvia's Place palette just to create some depth in this eyeshadow look.
Got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the Bob billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby, yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty.
Guys, when you get to the liquid eyeliner part, just take your time. It's not a race, and if you are a beginner, I suggest starting off with a gel liner or a pencil liner. Don't start off with something as advanced as liquid liner, because it took me a very long time to get to the point where I could just do liquid liner with 2 strokes. So just take your time and just focus on your angles, and always remember you can clean it up with concealer if you mess up. Okay, you guys, so I've come into a really irritating situation, and today just happens to be one of those days where my eyes they keep watering. And I don't know, I think sometimes when I use a lot of like powder products around my eyes are trying to compensate for the dryness. So you'll see me go back in with this color a few times because they just keep watering and I have to wait for them to calm down. So this is what I deal with at least like once a month. Like, I don't know why my eyes do that. Like, I really think it's because of all the powder that I'm using, but you know. So I'm using the Colourpop Pretty Please palette, and I'm using that color in my inner corner, and I'm kind of just gonna like dab and use my fan to kind of like dry my eyes out a little bit. But realistically, there's nothing that I can do about this. So, blah. So here I like to just bring the blush into my nose because I feel like it just pulls everything together. It gives a really cute baby doll look.
I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag. Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pilling out. I told Tay, bring the Bob billing out. So cold, we just chilling out. Baby, yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I